Audio on this. I'm really sorry. Now we got audio. Super rakido. No worries. That means we told much tonight. So yes, no worries. So we've got audio now. Sorry about that. I just realized I had absolutely zero audio while I was talking. So sorry. This is all to do with all the glitches I had this morning. So I hope you guys didn't mind. We've got all the stuff now. Audio's back on. So let's see what happens, right? Let's keep this going on and show you. So what I was saying was basically, look, market's heated up. We've had the golden cross, which is super. We've had a lovely little 6-7% pump here total from yesterday. In fact, today's candle, we've already had a 3.7% pump, as I just showed you just a bit ago. So we've had this 3.7% pump around here somewhere. Everything seems awesome, right? But what I wanted to do is understand that the market itself is heating up, and you know, right now, what you want to see exactly what's happening on the order books. That's the most important thing, and this is what I noticed, right? And this is why I've called this emergency broadcast, right? Because this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing all these you know, everyone's all bullish, but I'm seeing this, right? So the bears are selling. Look at how many people are actually trying to sell the top. So these are orders, market orders. These are spot market orders. You can see the spot market orders are coming in. You can see the total number of BTC coming in, the size, right? You can see this, you know, so we can see how many BTCs are actually coming in. You know, some of these, like for example, this is a 49 BTC. You can see all of this. You can see the order books filling up, right? Of course, there's a lot of bots and a lot of small people picking up. Like for example, someone here has 1.6 BTC. They just sold at 48,200. Good luck to them. That's what I'm going to say. But ultimately, what you're looking at is this order book. There's more sell than anything else. Also, what I did was I quickly jumped over and I actually looked at the longs versus shorts, and I observed something as well here as well. Long v short, right? And what we're seeing is, like, you know, let's just look at the last 12 hours. Actually, let's try and do it here. Hold on, let me see here. Right, you can see a lot of short positions are opening up as well. And actually, I do have a chart for that to show you even better. Hold on, let me see if this is the one. BTC total. I think this is the one. Yes, here you can see how the short position. So compared to longs, you can see how the short position have just basically changed. So there's a 53% more longs right now in the market. So, you know, just be careful. That's all I'm saying to everybody. Just be absolutely careful what's going on, right? Because it's really important to understand that somebody's preparing for a short here. So I want everybody to be very careful, because, you know, everyone gets excited, you know, these 2-3% pumps, but you need to understand that there could be a little bit of a pullback, right? And if there is one, you just got to be prepared for it. So you know, for us, remember, we're not positive unless we go back up there, and we've got a long ways to go, right? So where we are now, we've got to do another approximately 10%, guys. We've got to do another 10% for us to be actually totally, absolutely bullish, right? So I just want you guys to understand this. This is why, when I noticed this, it made total sense to me looking at all of this, especially the order book, because I did go into the order book and it was the most important thing to see. So when you go to the order book and you're looking and you're seeing, like, you know, how many orders there are on the order book and how many sales there are, that kind of said to me, guys, watch out, because if the sales are going to be faster and we're not able to buy fast enough, if we're not able to make a mountain here compared to these guys, right, because they're still winning against us, right, we're going to lose out. You know, the shorts could actually take us down a little bit. So beware of this. So don't go extra crazy or anything like this. That's all I wanted to say. But other than that, look, the market's doing awesome. Solana, we talked about how Solana, after all of these candles, we are going to see a positive candle. And you can see Solana is picking up momentum. And also everything else is indicating on the daily that Solana wants to push forward now. And that's it. Now it wants to do the next leg up. So that's Solana. Ethereum confirming that the BTC move is legit. This is what I use, right? I use this as an indicator to tell me if it's legit. And so far we can see this is absolutely a legit move. But the warning that I'm going to give to you is keep an eye on the order books, and you can see the order books, how the sells are coming in faster than the actual buys. We need the buys to be faster. So that's very important for us, right? And you can see how many BTCs actually coming down. For example, in total, we've got 304 BTC right now want to be bought, right? That's the orders. And you can see here on Binance, for example, we have 374 or total actually 482 BTC wants to be sold. So the orders are already placed, and you can see 400. So there's a slight discrepancy here. We want to see a mountain here, not a mountain here. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So please do understand, if this does trigger any liquidations or anything like this, ultimately it can bring us down. Even the shorts can bring us down. Do you know what I mean? But oh yeah, also talking about BNB, guys. BNB, if I'm still here, I just saw something happen. Something glitched out. I don't know what happened. I believe I'm still on the actual thing. Now, what I want to do is regarding BNB. So remember, we talked about Binance earlier on today, and I said, look, guys, Binance is doing XYZ, whatever. And if you're not verified and whatnot on Binance, you might have a bit of an issue. What I did was I updated all my channel descriptions. So from now on, so previous ones are still there, but from now on, you're going to find this all in my description, right? And the one that you're going to find new addition is all of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this. Or did I just do something? What did I do? Hold on 1 second. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So I'm going to copy this, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to post it to the Discord. So these are the ones, and I'm going to explain them one by one. So please, everybody, understand what I'm about to say to you, right? So you're not going to, you know, let me explain how this works. All right, very simple. Nexo, it's an interest account. You can buy, sell, exchange for your native currency, pretty much USD, Euro, and GBP. So you can do that here. So you can send it, earn some interest, and when you want to sell, you can press a button and you can sell. That's what this does. KuCoin, you cannot withdraw fiat from KuCoin. You can buy it. So this is more for people like myself who usually only use USDT or crypto. So this is crypto to crypto. Remember, you do have a fiat gateway, which means you can enter fiat, but you cannot exit the fiat. So beware of this one. This is like similar to Coinbase, right? So you can buy, sell, do whatever, but more to do with holding. You're not going to earn any interest or anything here. This one, you can earn interest. This one, you can earn interest. Also, BlockFi, you can earn interest. They do have a card as well. So all of these things, earn interest, right? I'll check, no worries. No, it's a booking, yeah. You can earn interest. Here, you won't be able to earn any interest. Coinbase, you won't be able to earn any interest. Remember this. So I've got all of this obviously set up here. Celsius, you will be able to earn interest, but they do have a really good offer right now. He said if you transfer $400 worth of crypto, they'll give you $50 in BTC. Do you know my advice is? Take that $50. It's for free. Take that. So that's what I'm going to say to you. I just discovered I had the app already, but I've never used Celsius. I'll be honest with you. I am going to test them out. Crypto.com's come back to the list because obviously with all the bollocks that we've had, Crypto.com survived, right? So I'm still giving it a chance again. I'm going to give it a chance, even though they do have the highest fees. So be careful of that. And then a few bits and bobs, like we've got the Ledger cold wallet, direct link, I believe, to the Ledger website. So do check it out. I don't get any referrals or anything from them. That's there. And then you've got TradingView. If you want to use it, you can use TradingView 100% for free. And remember, I'm not a hypocrite. I actually use TradingView completely for free. I don't pay for it anymore. So I just wanted to show you all of this stuff and say, look, this is what's going on, what the market is doing. Be careful. EGLD, as I said, look, it was heated up. It is pointing down. It is going to come down. So be careful on the EGLD. If you are planning to buy, I would put a buy order around this level here. So for me, my main target would be somewhere around here, right? On this fib here, this 1272 fib, $210, just to be safe, even though I have mentioned earlier on that 205 would be a better level to look at. But 210, I think, is going to be a safer area. That's where I would be trying to pick up some more and then continue the market, provided the market is moving forward, right? Another good thing to look at, knowing that the market is moving, is Ethereum dominance has started to come back up again, which is awesome to see, because, you know, when we start seeing BTC dominance, we know the market's not going to really move as far. So it's really, really important to see all of this stuff, right? So that's what's going on there. Total market cap looking awesome. As you can see, we're going to come back and test again, exactly as we thought it would. And I think once we break it, we're going to shoot towards the $3 trillion mark. So that should be super awesome to see. But yeah, other than that, that's all fine. And also Dogecoin, I wanted to mention something about Dogecoin because Ennis asked me something earlier on. And this is what I was showing you. Ennis, I was going to show it to you earlier on, bro, but I forgot. So let me just show you this as well. So this is Dogecoin Foundation. And I want to show you something on the foundation, which is really, really interesting. Vitalik Buterin has joined the foundation. So that's really, really cool to see, right? So that's one of the reasons why I thought, okay, do you know what? And you know, Elon Musk is obviously thinking. That's why I said give it the benefit of the doubt, not financial advice, but give it the benefit of the doubt, because obviously Vitalik's joined in as well. And I can see maybe I've got this weird feeling they're going to sort the shit out on this place, and eventually probably even going to be launching these NFTs or something like this. I don't know, something's happening with this, so be careful. But I'm just giving it the benefit of the doubt. That's what I wanted to show you. So other than that, you know what I mean? This stream was a very short one. I just want to show you what I'm seeing, especially on the order books. I need to see a mountain, and all I'm seeing is a lot of people just offloading right now. Maybe they're offloading because they want to buy a dip. I've seen a lot of bearish news. Also, brother KR mentioned something to me, and I kind of went back at him with this one. He mentioned to me something about Ray Dalio, I believe it was. Was it Ray? Yeah, Ray Dalio. It is a BTC bear, but you know, these hypocrites, they also own it as well. And he was saying how Bitcoin is not really good and governments will succeed to take it down and whatnot. I see so many of these hypocrites. So please do understand. And I think somebody's, who the heck, what's going on? Somebody's messaging me. Sorry, someone says, thanks for the order book thing. Yeah, let me post this as well, because I'm seeing a lot of these messages come up. Anyway, so be careful of this. That's all I'm saying, right? So we can see this is an indicator telling us that the market wants to go down. And also you will notice on Twitter and all sorts of other places, right, a lot of these I wouldn't call them bears, right? So this is what the funniest thing is. These are hypocrites, right? They actually do like BTC. They make a lot of money from BTC, but they make it mostly from shorting it. And a lot of these guys are really pissed off that the market has left them behind, right? They're really pissed off. They didn't expect the market to react the way it did, because think about it, we just had like almost $100 billion re-enter the market and basically pushing through. If you even look at the market cap and look at the volume, right, you can see how the volume's coming in. Most of this volume is just pure positive volume. You know what I mean? It's just pure positive volume. I mean, just look at this BTC volume. Look at this, right? You know, it's just positive. Most of this is just positive volume. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So it's really important to see this kind of stuff. We know that money's not going into any bollocks like this, right? Everything is going into super stuff. So I'm really happy with this. So ignore the FUD, ignore the news, but be careful, because the short traders, the BTC short traders, are ready to short the market. So that's what I wanted to warn you. Very, very scary. Also, let me just quickly bring this in to show you another thing as well, so you'll understand what I mean. If we look at liquidations, for example, let me bring liquidations in. All right, you can see absolutely nothing here. For example, let's go 12 hours. So we keep it in a good look, absolutely nothing. You see what I'm trying to say here? So all of this is indicating that there's a lot of short, nobody's been liquidated yet. the positions are open, and we can confirm that by looking at these positions here. When we look at the order book, sorry, not the order book, my bad, why am I saying order book for? When we look at this, we can see, look, the positions are open, the longs haven't really opened the bigger positions. You see what I mean? So we're not, there's, you know, it's there, but people are getting ready. The shorts are getting ready. And then here I can see shorts are trying their best to drive the price down. So when we're looking at, where were we? We were here. When we look at the order book, we can see they are trying their best. And remember, spot market is on-chain data. That means it's on the exchange. People can actually see this on the exchange, and you know, whatever happens here will trigger liquidation events and this and that. So they're trying to push the price down, right, by basically doing this here. Do you know what I mean? That's what they're attempting to do, and they're trying to trigger the on-chain. I want to see a mountain here. That's what I'm saying. So be careful, guys. Other than that, like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I am at work, so I am kind of busy, but I'm going to do my best to, so this was just a kind of like a super update. I just didn't want to make it too long or anything like this. I hope this kind of helps you guys understand what's going on right now in the market, and kind of sometimes just to, you know, not, you know, FOMO into stuff or see what it is and get excited, like, oh, market's going up. Sometimes take 2 steps back and say, okay, what's really going in the market? And that kind of gives you an indication, because I'm tracking all the major exchanges here and seeing exactly what's going on. We can see they are trying their best to manipulate the market and bring it down. But you can see the bulls are out there and they're buying, but they just got to buy faster than they can sell. That's all that we need to do. And then other than that, I think we're going to be awesome. So let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Some of the guys are saying thank you, these short videos are amazing after a mainstream. Awesome, bro, thank you very much. No, definitely. And I know you're trying to message me, but I did shut down the message only for members just because of that, because I didn't want to. So you know what, I think I got to shut down this as well. But this is just a short quick one, no questions, none of that business, just a quick update so you understand exactly what's going on, and just got to be, you know, cautious about what you're going to do. Make sure you understand your positions. Also, remember what I said about the links that I've sent on Discord. Now, this is only for my Discord members, so because I want to protect them and everything. So I've verified those links. Those are good links. That's what I'm going to share. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. You do your own due diligence, and you can do those. If you do use the link, I might get something. I don't need to. You can just go directly to those websites and use those. But those are the ones I found so far. It's working, and I've pretty much spent half a day today transferring all the funds from all the Binance accounts I had, because I had about 3 Binance accounts. So I've transferred all the funds now, and they're all moving. Actually, on one account, I do still have some BNB, right? But other than that, I've even moved all the BNB, everything out into multiple exchanges, so I don't put my eggs in one basket, right? So you know, if I want some interest in a particular one, I'm seeing good interest, I've moved it in an interest account, but I know that I have access to quickly sell if I have to. That's what I'm doing. So how I'm working, right? And all the alts, because there's a lot of exchanges don't have the alts. So for those alts, I have opted to go back to KuCoin. Sorry, KuCoin I'm already using. Go back to crypto.com. Right, crypto.com, I have opted, because there are some coins on crypto.com. Yes, the fees are high, but sod it, I've made money. I don't give a damn if the fees are high. As long as I can sell on the exchange and get out, I'm happy. Do you know what I mean? So that's how I'm playing the game right now. I hope you all understand. And also crypto.com, go to the app store. That's a recommendation. Go to the app store and type in crypto.com, and you'll see there's 2 apps. So there's crypto.com, the basic exchange, the expensive exchange, and then there's crypto.com exchange app. Get the exchange app if you're going to do some trading, and that one's actually a lot cheaper than the crypto.com normal app. That's what I found so far. So that's my recommendation to you guys. Stay safe, stay crypto, keep an eye on the market, very important. Don't FOMO, and ignore the noise. Ignore the noise. I feel sorry for the guys who lost their trades or got liquidated, you know, who are hoping to short the market a little bit more. It just didn't go their way, and now they're trying. You can see from this actual video, from this live data that you can see fed to you from all the top exchanges, what's really going in the market. Do you know what I mean? So that should be something that you have to really understand, like what's going on. So what are we tracking here? We're tracking, and these are the big spot ones, right? So we're tracking what's that, OKX, I believe it's Bitfinex, I can't remember, and we're tracking Binance as well. Obviously Binance is the biggest exchange out there with the highest volume, so that alone tells us exactly what's going on. So like, share, subscribe. I'm going to catch you on another one very soon. Adios, my amigos. It's been a pleasure coming back here, giving you this update. Sometimes, you know, I might throw one or two of these in there, but as long as it helps you guys, awesome. Adios.